Wall Yoga Part 1. Modify challenging poses and transform your everyday practice with this simple wall yoga sequence. This practice harnesses the support of the wall to enhance the stretches, strengthen the core, and reduce tension and stress. Lift your legs up against the wall to viparita karani, then to half dragon pose, one leg wide open. Then wall dragon pose, both legs wide open. Wall butterfly pose, badda konasana. Kapotasana left. Back to wall viparita karani. Wall pigeon pose right, Kapotasana. Back to wall viparita karani. Wall spinal twist to the left. Wall spinal twist to the right. Back to viparita karani and relax. Repeat this flow 5 times along with other stretches. Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy.